5 tips to improve your blood sugar control naturally. This video shares 5 simple, practical ways to control your blood sugar naturally. Blood sugar is one of the most important things you have to monitor to stay healthy. When your body fails to transport sugar from the blood to cells effectively, you end up getting high blood sugar. When this is allowed to happen unchecked, it can result in diabetes, which is a common medical condition today. A study conducted in 2012 showed that 50% of American adults have diabetes or a pre-diabetes condition. You do not want to become part of that statistic. You would be happy to know that there are things that you can do to improve your blood sugar naturally. That means you don't have to use supplements or medications at all, making sure that it is safe. Here are the top 5 tips that can help you control your blood sugar naturally. Tip number 1: regular exercise. This is one of the simplest things that you can do in order to control your blood sugar. As you should know, being overweight can lead to diabetes. Exercise is one of the key steps in losing weight, but in order for it to be effective, it has to be done regularly. Regular exercise will also increase insulin sensitivity. That means that cells are able to use the sugar in your blood in a more efficient manner. Tip number 2: control carbohydrate intake. Carbs are broken down into sugar, and the sugar thus produced is moved into the cells with the help of insulin. It goes without saying that when you eat too much carbs, you will have a problem with insulin function in your body. Controlling your carb intake also helps you to plan your meal in general. Tip number 3: drink plenty of water. Drinking water is a very simple step that you can take to control blood sugar in your body. Drinking plenty of water will prevent you from becoming dehydrated, and on top of that, it will also help to remove the excess blood sugar through your urine. Tip number 4: increase your intake of fiber. Another useful thing that you can do in order to control your blood sugar is to increase your intake of fiber. Why is fiber so good at controlling the sugar level in your blood? Because it slows down carb digestion and absorption of sugar. Just keep in mind that there are 2 kinds of fiber, soluble and insoluble. Both soluble and insoluble fiber have been shown to be beneficial in controlling blood sugar. Tip number 5: stay away from stress. You might be surprised to learn that stress can influence your blood sugar levels. Certain hormones are secreted by the body during moments of stress, and these hormones cause the blood sugar to go up. However, staying away from stress is easier said than done, but there are a lot of things that you can do in order to achieve that. Yoga, meditation, and exercise have been proven to be effective for relaxation. These are the 5 leading tips that you can try in order to improve your blood sugar. There are other natural and safe methods that you can try in order to keep your blood sugar controlled. But don't try anything that has not been proven. It could potentially harm you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed making it. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the thumbs up and subscribe buttons. Also, click the bell icon to get regular updates. For more health content like this, visit www.medicalisland.net. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the suggestions for more interesting content.